So if we go back to the teacher's instructions, we'll quickly have a look at what the next step is. So after we watch these videos, the teacher wants us to go to step 2, and the teacher wants us to go to the workbook page and do the activities. So we can download the document, or we can do the activity on a piece of paper and then take a photo of the activity to hand in to the teacher, right? To hand in as the assignment that the teacher wants us to do. So here is a work page that the teacher has uploaded for us, and this is all about counting. So count the objects and write the number in the box. This is actually something that we found online as well. It's all free material. This is from the K5 learning syllabus. These are all free, license-free material and content that you can access and upload to share with your students and make the workload a little bit lighter. So at the end of the day, this is extremely user-friendly, and it helps the teacher to quickly get material effortlessly. Okay, so let's then go back to the teacher's instructions. And let's see what the teacher wants us to do next. So we watched the video, we did the workbook page or the activity, and now the teacher, step 3, the teacher wants us to listen to the song. So listen to the song where they teach you how to count from 1 to 10. Now we're going to go to the audio button. We're going to press on the audio button, and I'm going to select the number song. On this lesson we only have one song or one item to select from, and we'll just give it a second to load. So we're going to press play.
Hi kids! Let's all count from 1 to 20. We'll count from 1 to 20 3 times, and each time...
So you get the idea. The student then listens to the song, and finally let's quickly go back to the teacher's instructions. Let's see what we need to do next. So we've watched the video, we've done the workbook pages or the workbook activity, we've listened to the audio, and next I think we have an extra activity. So yes, step 4. The teacher says, play the teddy game and use the skills that you have learned. Alright, so apparently the teacher has put something extra for us in this lesson. We're going to click on the extra button, and let's see, if we click on the extra activities, a page comes up and it says play the teddy game and use the skills that you have learned. So click on the link. The basic idea is to just click on this link that the teacher shared, which then takes you to a website. Let's see, I don't know what this teacher has had in mind. Okay, great. So this teacher shared a link with us that takes you to a game that helps you learn how to count. So this really gives you an idea of how easy it is to share various materials and share free online content with your students in order to help them achieve their goals. So at the end of the day, the teacher wants us to hand in an assignment, and this is where the student then can write a message to the teacher, communicate with the teacher. So write your name and message here. I'm just gonna say, hi teacher, this is my homework, and I can attach the homework that I've done. Maybe I've taken a photo of the activity that I've done. Maybe I've downloaded the page and I did the activity on my computer, and then I press send. Okay, so at the end of the day, this message and this specific assignment then arrives in the inbox of the teacher. So let's go back for a second to this page. Just to give you an idea of how easy this is going to be. So I have joined this grade 3 math class, okay, or grade 5 math class, and I've now done the activities, and now I can see that I have a message from my teacher. And if I click on this section, we can see that there's a drop-down menu with all of the correspondence between the student and the teacher. So the student wrote a message saying, "Hi teacher, here is my math homework," and the teacher replied. So in this sense, it's very easy to keep communication between the teacher and the student, and maybe it's necessary for the student to upload something again because he maybe didn't do it correctly the first time around. And this is where this happens. So I hope this has been useful. You can send us a message or an email to info@abutisyllabus.com, where we can reply to any of your doubts or questions. We will be sharing a video on the back end of this whole platform where we can help you teachers to easily understand how to get all of the material onto the platform for the students to start using it.
The Abuti Syllabus Better World Project. No child gets left behind.